Hello everybody, my name is Yuri and I'm with Funnel Insiders. In this video I want to show you how to set up your Facebook pixel with your WooCommerce installation. Now start off by going to your Facebook account. In this case it's just a generic account. Go to your Events Manager. Events Manager is going to be located under the All Tools drop down and then click on under Manage Business, Events Manager. Where you're going to see Facebook pixel where it says Track Website Activities, this is where we're going to set up the Facebook pixel. First, we're going to click Get Started. Facebook's going to show us a pixel. All we need to do is name it, whatever the name you want it to be, and click Continue. Now, we're going to manually enter the pixel code. We're going to copy this code and pay attention to this ID right here. So once this is copied in your clipboard, you're good to go. Navigate over to your WooCommerce installation and make sure you have a plugin called Pixel Your Site Pro. Now, this is going to be managing all of your WooCommerce pixel fires. You want to make sure you have this plugin installed because it's going to be making your process so much easier. All you have to do is input the pixel ID right here where it says Facebook Pixel ID. Once we've copied that giant code from Facebook, we're going to only take the ID right there. And we're going to paste it right here. Since this is a live account and it's a demo, I'm not going to actually paste that, but this is how you get your pixel ID right there. Then we're going to go and configure all this. We want to make sure we're tracking everything. So we're going to be tracking the general event. You want to make sure this is enabled on Facebook, unless you're using Google Ads. That's a different setup, but we're using this specifically for Facebook. You want to track searches, clicks, embedded video views, user signups, track forms, track comments, downloads. AdSense clicks is not relevant here. Once you have inputted all these details, simply click Save Settings. Now we're going to navigate over to the WooCommerce area and we're going to set up the actual WooCommerce details. I like to set everything up here. Okay. Now what we want to do is basically enable all these features. So super easy, enable everything here. There is one caveat to all of this. We want to create a ViewContent pixel. The ViewContent pixel is going to fire. So basically enable all this stuff here. Now what I like to do is set up that ViewContent pixel. The ViewContent pixel is located under Events. We're going to click on Events. We're going to add a new event. The event is going to be based on a page visit, and you want a delay of 5 seconds. Why do you want a 5-second delay on your ViewContent? The reason is you want your user to actually hit your page. If they're not hitting your page, then they're going to bounce. So those who have actually loaded the page within 5 seconds of being on there are likely to actually view the content. So those who bounce immediately don't ever fire the ViewContent pixel, so you don't have to build an audience on people who may or may not be interested in your offer. So we're going to enable the event type of ViewContent on Facebook. We're going to call this something like VC Global. And you're going to put a page visit on all pages with a 5-second delay. Doesn't matter what the URL contains, just every URL on the site. An alternative way to fire the ViewContent pixel globally across all your web pages is simply by modifying the general event and typing in ViewContent. And make sure that delay is again set for 5 seconds. Click the Save Settings button and you're all set. Thank you for watching this video.